Hello kids, so today we will be starting with the 6th chapter, the tree house. This is a poem, but as usual हम पहले क्या करेंगे, warm up exercise. So a very interesting activity which all of you have to do. What you have to do is trace to draw these animals and then color them. तो आपको ये coloring करनी है और trace करनी है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर क्या है, elephant, a dog and an alligator. Can you see? This is a picture of the alligator. तो आपको ये सब ट्रेस करना है और फिर इसको कलर करना है. Now moving towards the poem. I would like to have a tree house. पोट क्या कह रहा है कि मुझे एक ट्री हाउस चाहिए. ट्री पर एक हाउस चाहिए. हाई, सो हाई, जो बहुत ऊंचा हो, बहुत बहुत ऊंचा हो. I could be the king there. वहाँ का मैं क्या बनूँ, राजा बनूँ. Eating a cherry pie. मुझे किस चीज़ की पाए खानी है, चेरी की. What is a pie? पाए लाइक डिफरेंट चीज़ों की बनी होती है, जैसे कि फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स और सम नॉन वेज. तो उनको चेरी की पाए खानी है. I would like to have a tree house high, so high. Again and again he actually wants it. He is saying कि मुझे एक ट्री हाउस चाहिए जो बहुत ऊंचा हो, बहुत ऊंचा. I could visit birds there. मैं वहाँ कहाँ जा पाऊँ, birds के घर पर जा पाऊँ, देख पाऊँ, उनको visit कर पाऊँ. Look them in the eye. अपनी आँखों से देखूँ, उनकी आँखों से आँख मिलाकर उनको देख पाऊँ. I would like to have a tree house high, so high. So every time he is repeating the same thing कि मुझे एक बहुत ऊंचा, बहुत बहुत ऊंचा ट्री हाउस चाहिए. I could be a dreamer and watch the clouds sail by. मैं एक ड्रीमर हूँ. I agree. मैं इस चीज़ का ड्रीम कर रहा हूँ, सपना देख रहा हूँ. क्या कि मैं क्लाउड्स को देख रहा हूँ इधर से उधर आते जाते. Sail by. So he is looking for a tree house. He wants. See, this is a tree. There is a house, and over here, this is the beautiful picture of a tree house, isn't it? Now with that there are few word meanings. Pie, what is a pie? I already told you, a type of food consisting of fruit, meat और vegetable. ये सब होता है इसमें. सेल, सेल क्या होती है, जब हम पानी के रास्ते से यानी कि ओशन से या समुद्र से कहीं घूमने जाते हैं, या वॉयज मीन्स आप घूमने जा रहे हो, that is called a sail voyage. Is it clear kids? So moving ahead, अब हम आते हैं comprehension part पर. Darken the circle of the correct option in the OMR sheet. Type of tree house that the speaker want. कैसा चाहिए था speaker को? High, very high. He wants a very high tree house. He wanted to become a king. उसको क्या बनना था? King बनना था. The speaker wants to eat cherry pie. So what will come over here? King. And what will come over here? Cherry. He dreams to see clouds. क्या देखने थे? Clouds. Okay. Now moving ahead. थोड़ा सा और ऊपर कर लेते हैं. Yes. Fill in the blanks. I would like to have a tree house. I could, क्या करना है? I could visit the birds there. I could visit the birds there. I could be a dreamer. D-R-E-A-M-E-R. Kids, you should also learn all the spellings of the chapters. I want to eat cherry pie. Okay kids? Say if the given statement is true or false. I would have a small wood house. No, a high one. So this is false. I could be a dreamer. Yes, he wants to see the clouds and dream. So he is dreaming. I could visit the crows there. Crows देखनी थी. No, birds. So this is false. I want to watch clouds there. Yes, this is true. So quite an interesting poem, isn't it? अच्छी लगी आप सबको ये poem? So that's all for today. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.